Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to contact Fiverr customer support team. So first of all, what you have to do is open fiverr.com and sign in with your account. Once you're signed in, so you will land on the main page of Fiverr. All you have to do is scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page. You'll be able to see this kind of interface. All you have to do is under the company, you will see help and support. Click on it, a new tab will open. Now scroll down again and select search by category. So I will select your Fiverr account, or you can select order management or anything related to your problem. So I will select your Fiverr account. There will be some issues that are popular, account and profile settings, and you have to find in your specific problem. If you cannot or you're not able to find your specific problem on this section, what you have to do is simply click on the Contact Us button on the bottom of the page. A pop-up window will appear on this section on the right bottom of your screen, and then you'll be able to talk directly with the Fiverr support team. And that's simply how you can contact Fiverr customer support team. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.